Hello everyone, welcome back to another sharing video on Dinh Duy Cuong's YouTube channel. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support Dinh Duy Cuong's YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to design a dropped shoulder shirt like this. To begin this process, please carefully prepare the specific pattern of the shirt that you are planning to design today. After you have that ready, you should proceed with the following steps. Gently drag the rulers across your screen to the exact positions where you want them to be. In this particular example, I am going to drag them specifically to the shoulder position and the armhole drop position for accuracy. First, we need to focus on the initial adjustment, which is to raise the shoulder slope to the correct angle. I will raise the shoulder slope by about 1 centimeter compared to a regular shirt pattern. After that, I will measure the sleeve length. This depends on your personal preference. If you want the sleeve to be exactly as long as you personally prefer it to be, you can certainly make it that long. Next, you will carefully determine the specific amount of drop for this shoulder point. So, from this new shoulder line, you will measure directly downwards by approximately 4 centimeters in total. And for this armhole drop, you need to make sure to lower it deeply enough. Here, I'll use an example of lowering it by 2 centimeters, but you can make it deeper or shallower depending on your preference. Just make sure that it's not too tight at the armhole, this point here, so it doesn't feel tight at the armhole. Otherwise, when you wear it, it will feel tight and very uncomfortable. Now, we'll draw a line from the shoulder point to the point we just marked, and to the new shoulder point. After that, you'll draw the armhole curve here. Try your best to ensure that the shoulder point forms a perfect right angle. Okay, it must be a clean right angle. This is important so that when we sew the shoulder seams together, it won't cause the shoulder tips to awkwardly curl up or distort. If those shoulder points don't align perfectly with each other, the final result will look quite messy and unprofessional. Alright, now I'll draw the armhole curve of the front bodice here. After we finish drawing like this, you'll need to connect it for me, okay? Because these two lines we just drew are two different inner curves. So we need to connect them at this shoulder point. After that, you'll use a command to swap the inner curve with the outer contour. So you'll select the outer contour first, you'll select this outer contour first. Then you'll select this inner curve. At this point, a dialog box will appear here and you just click OK. And just like that, the inner curve you drew on the outside has now become the outer contour for this piece, and you can delete the original line. For the front bodice part, you'll do the same thing. You'll select the outer contour first. Then you'll carefully select the inner curve and simply click OK. So now you can see that the inner curve has successfully turned into the outer contour. And just like that, we immediately have a stylish off-shoulder top. It's very simple, isn't it? And if you want to gain a deeper understanding, in greater detail and more professionally, you can check out the courses at PDS Academy by going to Google, simply entering the keyword online PDS, and personally visiting the website of PDS Fashion Academy. You'll go to the courses section right here and you can view all the courses at PDS Academy. If you find a course that suits you, you can message me on Zalo using the phone number I've displayed on the screen, and I'll give you advice so you can enroll in the right course for your needs. Goodbye, and see you again in the next sharing videos.